Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. In the previous video, we have discussed how to add a cloud stack provider. Now let's add a Kubernetes provider. In a similar manner, users can add Kubernetes as a provider in BitBlast to facilitate the creation of clusters tailored to Kubernetes infrastructure. Users simply need to fill in the specific fields for Kubernetes, including key name, and kubeconfig data. Once details are provided, clicking the Add Provider button seamlessly integrates Kubernetes into BitBlast system. This streamlined process ensures that users can efficiently configure Kubernetes as a provider, establishing the necessary infrastructure for creating clusters compatible with Kubernetes environments. With BitBlast, users can seamlessly add Kubernetes as a provider and proceed with creating customized and optimized clusters within their projects. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.